in markets all over the world, there's a real array of different ways in which businesses and countries and governments are treating alternative energy for mobility. And that's presenting different challenges for businesses in how they pivot towards that. So what we're recommending at Kalibrate at the moment is to see that as part of the overall data landscape and solution provision for the customers, but on the understanding that it isn't always the right thing to do at that moment in time or at that particular site. So what we're recommending to a lot of businesses is to start to assess the feasibility of introducing electric vehicle charging equipment on their forecourts. That's everything from the supply side through to whether they're located in an area where there's a high propensity of people who are likely to buy electric vehicles, and whether they're in a transient location which is going to facilitate the charging of them. So overall, I think we're in a really early state of adoption in almost every market. Norway is probably the exception to that. But it is something that all fuel retailers will need to be mindful of as the market for electric vehicles matures and the adoption of it gathers pace.